Today I am reviewing the Levoit Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. One of the strongest features of the LVAC 200 is its tangle-resistant roller design. Many vacuums, even expensive ones, often struggle with hair buildup on the brush roller. Over time, long strands of human hair or pet hair get wrapped tightly around the roller, forcing you to stop cleaning, remove the head, and cut the tangled pieces out. That process is frustrating and can shorten the life of the vacuum. Levoit solves this issue by creating a roller that actively resists tangling, allowing it to pick up more hair with much less maintenance. This makes the vacuum ideal for people with long hair or households with dogs and cats that shed frequently. You get smooth performance without that constant buildup that slows down most traditional vacuums. The LVAC 200 also stands out because of its versatility. Levoit includes multiple attachments that let you clean different surfaces with ease. You can move from carpets to hard floors, from sofas to car interiors, and from baseboards to tight corners without needing a completely different tool. The 2-in-1 crevice tool helps reach narrow spaces and edges, while the 2-in-1 pet tool is designed specifically to remove embedded pet hair from furniture, bedding, and upholstery. These attachments transform the vacuum from a simple floor cleaner into a full home cleaning system. Another thoughtful feature is the one-click easy empty dust bin. A lot of vacuums require you to shake the bin, reach inside, or tap it multiple times to fully empty it. With the LVAC 200, emptying the dustbin is as simple as pressing a button. The debris falls straight into the trash without creating a cloud of dust or forcing you to touch anything. For people with allergies, this is especially important because it minimizes exposure to dust and dander. Maintenance on the vacuum is also very convenient. The filters are washable, which means you do not have to constantly buy replacements. You simply rinse them, let them dry completely, and reinstall them. The roller itself is detachable and washable, so if you ever feel it needs a deep clean, you can remove it and clean it thoroughly in minutes. This helps maintain suction power and keeps the vacuum performing like new for a long time. The emphasis on reusability and easy cleaning makes the LVAC 200 not only convenient, but also cost-effective. Another major advantage is its 5-stage filtration system. This system is designed to trap fine particles, allergens, pet dander, and dust inside the vacuum rather than releasing them back into the air. For people with allergies or sensitive respiratory systems, this can make a noticeable difference in air quality inside your home. When combined with the vacuum's ability to pick up pet hair efficiently, it becomes clear why this model is popular among pet owners. Battery life is another area where the LVAC 200 performs extremely well. With up to 50 minutes of runtime, you can clean multiple rooms or even an entire small home on one charge. Many cordless vacuums struggle to reach this level of battery efficiency, especially when delivering strong suction power. The LVAC 200's long runtime gives you the freedom to clean without rushing or feeling limited by the remaining battery. The vacuum suction power is strong enough to lift everyday debris, fine dust, crumbs, dirt trapped in carpets, and hair tangled in fabric surfaces. Whether you use it on hardwood floors, tiles, low-pile carpets, or rugs, it maintains a smooth and steady cleaning performance. Because it is lightweight, you can also easily lift it to clean shelves, curtains, or high places that require an extra reach. This combination of lightweight design and solid suction creates a balanced machine that works well for everyday cleaning needs. In handheld mode, the LVAC 200 becomes even more versatile. It can be used for car interiors, stairs, sofas, pet beds, or any smaller area where a full-size vacuum would be awkward. Switching between stick mode and handheld mode is seamless, making the vacuum extremely convenient for quick cleanups or targeted cleaning tasks. Overall, the Levoit LVAC 200 Cordless Vacuum Cleaner offers a thoughtful combination of power, simplicity, and practical features. Its tangle-resistant roller, easy empty dust bin, long battery life, reusable filters, and multiple attachments make it a strong option for families, pet owners, or anyone who want a cleaner home without the hassle of cords and complicated maintenance. Levoit has created a vacuum that is efficient, lightweight, and adaptable to nearly any cleaning scenario. If you want a cordless vacuum that performs well on multiple surfaces, maintains strong suction, and avoids the common problems found in many other models, the LVAC 200 is a reliable and user-friendly choice.